Cytogenetic mapping of genomes. Microscopic examination of the chromosomes reveals a bending pattern. Regions designated based on their chromosomal position relative to the centromere. This is another type of the genome mapping which is called as cytogenetic mapping, in which we look the chromosomes under the microscope and we see different bending patterns under the microscope. Chromosomal bending patterns. These methods allow a rough determination of the locations but not to yield a direct measure of the distance. With the help of cytogenetic mapping, we can see a rough determination of the locations of the genes or different regions of the chromosomes, but that is not a direct measure of the distance. This is the pictorial view of the cytogenetic map of the genome, in which we can see that there are different stained fragments of the chromosome, that is P12, P13.1, P13.2, P13.3. So these are the dark and light bands. In case of region P12, here we can see that all these genes, they are located in this region. In case of region P13.1, all these genes, they are located in this region. And same is in case of P13.2 and P13.3. So cytogenetic map is such a map in which we can see the stained chromosomes under the microscope. Regions are designated as Q arm of the chromosome, that is actually the long arm of the chromosomes, and the other arm, that is the short arm of the chromosome, is designated as P arm. Regions are numbered from the centromere towards the outside, that is in the form of Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on. Same is in case of P arm. It is designated as P1, P2, P3. So they are called as regions. Cytogenetic mapping of the genomes. So cytogenetic map is such a map that is a visual study of the chromosome at microscopic level. And what is karyotype? Chromosome complement also applied to the picture of the chromosomes. When we see the pictures of the chromosome, then it is called as karyotype. Ideogram is actually the stylized form of the karyotype. So these are the different terminologies which is used in case of cytogenetic mapping of the genomes, that is cytogenetic map, karyotype and ideogram. According to cytogenetic mapping of the genomes, chromosomes are classified according to the position of the centromere. Chromosomes, they can be metacentric, where there is the central centromere. They can be acrocentric, where there is subterminal centromere. They can be submetacentric, where there is intermediate centromere. While they can also be in the form of telocentric, where there is terminal centromere. So based on the position of the centromere, there can be 4 different types of the chromosomes. They can be metacentric, they can be acrocentric, they can be submetacentric, and they can also be in the form of telocentric. This is the view of a cytogenetic map of the genome. Here we can see dark bands and light bands. So the first one, that is 2, they are called as a region. So here is region 1, then region 2. The second digit is called as band. So here the first 2 is region and the second 2 is band. And then this 3, that is after the dot or after the point, that is subband. So 2.3 is for this band. Here 2 is the region and the second 2 is the band and 3 is the subband. So this is the method that how these bands, they are designated. There is another view of the cytogenetic map. Let's say we know a gene. The gene is located at chromosome 1p36.1. So how we will locate or identify the position of this gene? Here, these are the regions. This is the Q arm, that is the large arm of the chromosome. This is the P arm. 1 is the chromosome. P is the arm, that is the P arm is the shorter one. Then 3 is the region. So here is 3, this is the region. Then 6 is the band, here is the 6. And then 0.1 is subband. So it means the gene which is located at chromosome 1p36.1 is actually located on this band of the chromosome. So what is cytogenetic mapping? A microscopic examination of stained chromosome that reveals a bending pattern. That bending pattern is called as cytogenetic mapping of the genomes. Regions are designated based on their chromosomal position relative to the centromere.